Ryan with Miss.Geek here, and yeah, we're still working on the QDX, and in fact, I've got some editing to do to make more videos of things I've already shot. You can see its current setup here, but I wanted to show you because I got a couple of emails. I did a video last week about my soldering iron, which died a terrible death. Rip. And I did replace it. However, a couple of you sent me messages of the same image, and I had to laugh. So Larry and Terry both sent me this. Yes, a soldering iron that I can't break. So let me show you what I've got here, what I did get. I ended up with this guy right here. And this is very similar to the one I replaced, but this is a different, it's sufficiently different. If you look, let's see, let's set it here. And it's a fair bit, sorry about the shakiness there. It's actually a fair bit different. This one has an analog control. This one's digital. We got, let's see, I thought I had my, yeah. See, this actually looks really similar, but the flange that holds it all together actually looks pretty different. So I'm hoping that this one is more robust. Time will tell. However, I needed this. It was cheap. I got this one for, I think, $22, and it came with these tips. Also came with some solder paste and a nice little roll of 6337 solder. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I've got this roll here, but I mean, it ain't Kester, but it'll keep me going when this one runs out. So I'll put a link in the description below. But I just thought I'd do a little quick video of the new soldering iron. And by the way, I've been doing all the soldering on the QDX with it, and it's coming right together. So keep an eye out for more videos about the QDX. And I'll put a link, and yes, it's an affiliate link to this below. And also new cutters, because my other ones, well, it was time. I'll put a link down to those two. Those Hacko cutters are pretty great. I just abused the heck out of mine, that's all. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.